So here is my Lego gun that I made, and I'm just going to explain the mechanics. So right here is a clip which is attached to the main part of the gun with this line right here, and this is the hammer which will shoot the bullets, these, and this is the trigger, and that's all you need to know for what's about to happen. So when you pull the hammer back, the trigger goes in, which makes a wall so that the hammer can't go anymore. And then if you pull it back some more, then the clip goes up and makes the bullet go. And since the bullet is in front of the hammer, it gets stuck on this wall that the trigger had. So when you pull the trigger, it shoots. This is how you reload the clip. This is the clip right here. It holds all the bullets right here in these. The bullets are pushed up with these rubber bands that push them into the chamber. If you have any suggestions for how the gun could be better, put them in the comments below.